In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to n8n in the 2026 edition. Connecting Slack to n8n is a great way to turn your workspace into a practical automation hub. Once the connection is set up, n8n can send messages into Slack, pull channel data into drop-down menus, and help you build workflows that interact with your team communication in a much more dynamic way. To begin, open your n8n workspace, whether you're using a local installation or a cloud-hosted instance, and go to the workflow canvas. In the upper right area of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new node. In the search field, type Slack, then select the official Slack node from the results. When the settings panel opens, find the option labeled Credential to connect with. Open that dropdown and choose Create New Credential. For the authentication method, set it to bot token, which is the standard approach for this type of setup in 2026. Leave this n8n tab open because you'll need to come back to it in a moment. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the Slack API apps page. Click Create New App, then choose the From Scratch option. Give the app a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, and then select the Slack workspace you want to connect. After that, click Create App. Once the app has been created, go to the left-hand sidebar under Features and open OAuth and Permissions. Scroll down until you reach the Scopes section. In the Bot Token Scopes area, click Add an OAuth scope and add the required permissions one at a time. Add chat. Write so n8n can post messages, channels, read so it can load public channel options and groups. Read so it can access private channel information where permitted. When those scopes are in place, scroll back up and click Install to Workspace. Then approve the request by selecting Allow. After the installation is complete, Slack will display the bot user OAuth token. Copy that token, then return to your n8n tab. Paste it into the Access Token field in the credential window and click Save. Validate the connection. And if everything is correct, the node options like resource and operation should become fully available. Now configure the test action in the Slack node. Set resource to message and operation to post. Then choose a channel from the Select a Channel dropdown and enter your test message in the text field. To check that everything is working, click Execute Node in the top right corner of the node panel. Finally, switch back to Slack and open the channel you selected. You should see the test message appear there, confirming that your Slack connection to n8n is working properly. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.